Hello, everybody. My name is Greg Rossi. I'm the VP of Customer Solutions here at Zuar. At Zuar, we are a software company at heart, but we focus on data analytics and business intelligence. So I'm here today to talk to you about data integration strategies and the importance of a strategy like this. So first of all, what is a data integration strategy? Well, a proper data integration strategy is the process of taking data from disparate or siloed locations around your business or organization, centralizing them into a single location, which then allows you to transform the data. It allows you to warehouse the data, create data marts. And in business terms, what does this mean? It's a strategy that will help you build a better view, 360 view of your entire business to inform decision making, right? So why is this important? Well, data integration strategies are important because integrating data is complex. So first, you need a strategy and expertise in the area to do this. Simple as that. There's usually a lot of work to be done. So the focus that comes with a strategy is totally necessary and relevant for this type of process. And then, of course, without a strategy, your data can be incorrect. Your reporting that can mess up your reporting, and at the end of the day, this can lead to inconsistent, unreliable reporting for your business, right? So let's get into the meat of it. How do you create a data strategy? Well, there's a couple steps. So you first generally want to start by identifying the why. So defining the clear goals of the initiative. So what questions do you have about your business? What information would be helpful to know that you don't already know, right? Gather an inventory of what is working well and what is not working. So of course, that'll get you started on the right foot. Number two, identify your stakeholders and your data consumers, as you need a strategy that will create a product that will be usable for all of those people, right? You don't want to create a product like this in a silo. You don't want to create reporting in a silo, because that's kind of the opposite of this type of strategy, right? So go ahead and talk with or even interview the leaders of your business, gather information related to all of the different parts of the business, and figure out what questions need to be answered in order to grow, improve, increase performance, prevent churn, increase sales, improve marketing, all of these different things, right? Understand the needs of the data consumers, the concerns, even down to their communication style, right? Because you may even want to consider creating a plan for how to communicate the strategy and the results and the development of the strategy back to these stakeholders and the data consumers. Nearly all of these plans that you create need to be iterative and are going to develop over time with the buy-in and the feedback of these different consumers. So make sure that they're involved and make sure you understand how to be talking to different people. Number three is the data strategy itself. So this is like the nuts and bolts of the integration process. This is where you're identifying what are the data sources, what are the different tools we have at our disposal, what are the metrics, the different reporting metrics that people are looking to see, and make sure that everything you're doing as it relates to the technical and the building of the strategy, obviously scalable and adaptable to the growth of your business, because that's ultimately what you're hoping to achieve by going down this path, right? Number four, develop a training and support structure for data consumers, end users, all of these people that are going to be looking at the results and the product of your strategy, right? Consumers of the information will need to know how to access it, how to use the tools that you put in place, how to ultimately get to the answers that you are trying to provide them with the data that you have, right? And last but not least, number five I'm going to talk about is assembling the team, the dream team. Leverage a team who has done this before, that maybe has experience in this domain, especially if you're new to this. That'll help you avoid, obviously, all the initial time sinks that can come along with this, all the initial problems that can derail the strategy at the start. But assemble the team that can get the job done based on the requirements from the previous steps. Now, all that to say, I will say, if you don't have a team to use, Zuar is here to help you. Please get in touch with us. We've been doing this for a really long time. We know how to create these strategies, and we can help support or even deliver your integration strategy for you. So look forward to talking to you.